Stop tracking your money. It's a waste of time, and I'm going to tell you exactly what to do instead. You've been told 1,000 times that the key to budgeting is tracking every dollar. Write it down, log it in an app, review it at the end of the month. But here's the problem. By the time you see where your money went, it's already gone. You can't unspend it. You can't get it back. You're just documenting the damage. That's like trying to drive by only looking in the rearview mirror. You see everything behind you perfectly, but you crash into everything ahead. Tracking feels productive. It feels responsible, but it's reactive. You're always one step behind your money, always catching up, never getting ahead. Here's what nobody tells you. Knowing where your money went doesn't help you decide where it should go. Those are two completely different skills. One looks backward, one looks forward, and only one of them builds wealth. Here's what to do instead. Stop tracking, start simulating. First, know your real numbers, your actual income, your actual fixed expenses. Calculate your real surplus once and update it only when something changes. Second, assign every surplus dollar a job before the month starts. Emergency fund gets this much. Debt payoff gets this much. Fund money gets this much. Decide in advance. Third, simulate your future. This is the game changer. What happens if rent goes up? What if you add a side hustle? What if you cut 2 subscriptions? The Finance Reset Toolkit lets you toggle these scenarios and watch your savings goals respond in real time. You're not tracking what happened. You're designing what will happen. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.